Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2015 Toyota RAV4 Limited. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, roof rails, chrome window trim, deep tinted glass, and much more. Its combination of features, passenger space, and everyday utility warrant a closer look if you're shopping for a small crossover. This RAV4 has 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this RAV4 is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps along with fog lights and a really nice color key grille, chrome accents to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This RAV4 has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 26 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this RAV4 has only 14,711 miles on it. At the back of the RAV4, you can see the antenna, the spoiler, and the rear wiper, along with large brake lights and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo cover and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this RAV4 has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold down armrest with cup holders as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice leatherette and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated Softex seated with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This RAV4 is also equipped with door bins, an outside temp gauge, and a push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the driver's seat memory, the power liftgate, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This RAV4 has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.